Class methods in Python are defined using the @class method decorator and take the class itself as the first argument, often named CLS. They are used for factory methods or altering class state. Static methods, marked with @static method, do not access class or instance-specific data, making them ideal for utility functions within a class. Object-oriented programming in Python enhances modular architecture by grouping data and behavior into cohesive objects, promoting code reusability. It relies on 4 pillars: encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction. Mastering class and static methods is crucial for writing clean, efficient, and maintainable code, especially at an intermediate level. Classes act as blueprints, defining the structure, attributes, and behaviors for objects. They specify data attributes, methods, and inheritance. For example, a dog class can define a bark method. Objects, like Buddy, are instances of these classes, each with unique states but shared behaviors, illustrating the power of object-oriented design. The dog class acts as a blueprint, allowing us to create multiple unique instances like Max, Luna, and Buddy. Each dog shares the same structure, but has distinct attributes. Max is black and energetic, Luna is white and calm, and Buddy is brown and friendly. This demonstrates how a single class can generate diverse objects. Instance methods in Python. OOP use self to access specific object data, allowing unique attribute manipulation. For example, in the dog class, bark and getInfo methods utilize self to return personalized messages for each dog instance, like Max or Luna. This approach forms the core of object behavior, enabling tailored interactions. Class methods use the CLS parameter to operate at the class level, not on individual instances. Defined with the @class method decorator, they can access and modify shared class data. This makes them perfect for managing class-wide behaviors and data, providing a powerful tool for operations that affect the entire class. Class methods offer flexibility through factory methods, allowing object creation beyond the standard _init constructor. They enable access to class-level data, shared across all instances, and facilitate instance tracking, such as counting total instances. This abstraction is crucial for operations concerning the class as a whole, rather than individual instances. The employee class showcases class methods as alternative constructors. The from_string method allows creating employee instances from formatted strings, enhancing flexibility. Additionally, the getEmployeeCount method demonstrates class state management by accessing shared data, tracking the total number of instances. This approach exemplifies efficient object creation and class-level data handling.